got down from this bus over here, 225, and let us see what is so special about this place. You can go all the way to the top, which is a tourist place. So what is so great about it is, this was one time the most dangerous place in Medellin. Okay, most dangerous. See that hill out top it is. You go like this?
Yeah, it's over there.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Where are you from, my friend?
I'm from India.
Oh, yeah. My name is Sander.
Huh?
English local to guide.
Okay, thank you.
People from India come here to join from another team.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, so I don't know why this is becoming dark. So this is called the Comuna 13. Comune 13. Very famous now. So people started coming 70s, 60s, 70s, 80s. The most dangerous place. This is Abhinandan. So, thank you. Okay, now I'll go all the way top and then I will sit in one place, eat my fruits, drink my energy drink, Malaysian energy drink, and make a small presentation. These people are from Bogota. Okay. So the tour guide told a lot of people come from. Though there's a football match, you will see the crowd. Okay. See the crowd, crowd of people. I don't know why the brightness is going away on the camera. So I'll go all the way top, and this has become, see the other side hill. Oh, this has become very famous. Though there's a football match, you can see the crowd. Everywhere shops surrounding. Can you imagine? In just 20 years' time, Pablo Escobar dead in 93, I think. 93. Was it correct? 92 or 93? So in the last 35 years, they have transformed this place. Because tourists start coming. Many of them are foreigners. I should see 3 months ago I came and have not come one time. What an idiot I am. Always working like a donkey. But I should have come daily. I'll come once on a weekday also. Today is Sunday. Everywhere you can see like this. Some people tell be careful with your, the hair dryer is eating it. What is this? Oh, by bike. Okay. So it's a very nice place to come. I should have come every Sundays. And in between you can go like this. See mangosteen. And government has put elevator. I will show you that.
That's all right, man.
Very good.
Esteban. My name
Okay.
is Esteban.
Okay. So there will be tour guides. So I'm telling my friends from India, shame on you. You cannot afford to spend $1,000, $2,000. But if I give an opportunity with $51, $51 or $311. $311. Best is to start with $311 if you want to earn fast and more. Okay? And you know what? Start talking to people, start working. This is a famous landmark place where people come and take a photo. Kamun 13. Okay. See the slope right now and see the mountain on the other side top. Every week I was thinking, I'll go next week. What is there? I'm there. Then I thought next week I'm going to Bogota. So I thought you can go like this also. Okay. Next week I thought I'll go to Bogota for 10 or 15 days for a money expo. So I thought, let me go over here once. Nowhere in the world a transformation like this has happened. A slum, a ghetto. They have not done like this for what is the famous place in Mumbai? Dharavi. That's also a biggest slum. See, you can go like this also and see government have put elevator. Shame on India. We only talk. 11 people dead in a stampede. See here, anywhere you can go in an elevator in an open area. In a slum, they have put an elevator. Okay? And like this, many elevators are there. And full tourist place. Okay, see another elevator. Oh, like me, someone is giving a slip. What is that? Okay. So, a lot of places are there like this to go, but let me go. See the elevator. Instead, you can walk that side also, but the government has done elevator. Does any government do like this? In India, they keep talking and the politician will be making money. But here, for the slum, they have developed a ghetto. This is even now a ghetto. Okay, see their houses. That's why I like Medicillin. Weather is very good. Outstanding. I thought there would be a football match and no one will be there today. So I thought best is to go today. See another elevator. You can go like this also by walk. Okay, you can go by walk, but there's an elevator. Already 3 elevators finished. And in between you can go. In between there are a lot of gullies. See, this is the 3rd elevator. And that too very long. See people coming. I will go to the topmost position. See all this property sale, rental, property management, real estate. We are going up. Very interesting. See there and all. Next time I'll come early in the morning once on Sunday. Today, again I got up late. Then I started working. Okay. I had coffee and I was working. You can go like this also. But see that fourth elevator right now. Fourth elevator.
From the area, but also killing a lot of people from the neighborhood. Okay, we're going to see right there the name. Okay, and also a hand representing the government, the license representing gambling, and the houses representing the community.
I want to come and stay over here. You can take a rented place here and stay. Only on Sundays the crowd will be like this. So this is another elevator. That is, you see, we are going top over there. Lot of shops. I'm not going into all these shops right now. Let me go to the topmost place and then let me decide. My battery should not finish. See what a panoramic view. Wow, see Jesus statue. I've seen all this in the videos. There is a gorilla also. There I did not go. I'll go there. You can stand next to the Jesus statue. Instead of going like, oh, there's one more metro. Let me go here and go there. Sorry, no, one more elevator. Let me show this slowly to see Medellin, Colombia 13. That is what it was called. See a panoramic view. Panoramic view of Medellin. Okay, see the lady statue over there. I'll go sit over there later. I'm not talking to anyone right now because I'm just going around showing the places. Oh, there was a Jesus statue over here. Woman has to pay 1,000, men 1,000. It's 22 rupees you have to pay for pissing. Okay, there are some statues are there, but you see the panoramic view. I'll go everywhere. People kiss everywhere. Okay. I hope no one will snatch my... I'll go in another elevator right now. This is the fifth one. Fifth one. In India, in temple also they don't put elevator. Lakhs of people go to Vaishnavi Devi or anywhere. There's an elevator like this. Tirupati, the richest temple in India, does not have an elevator like this. And this is a slum, ghetto. See, one more. Now that is the sixth one. See people watching a football match. This is played now in Medellin, near my place. This is played over here. Okay. Still you have to go top. There. So that's a game which is going on near my place where I'm staying. So I should have come earlier. 2 months, 3 months finished. And I had not come one time. Stupid fellow. See the beauty of the hills. I want to go now to all the hills right now. I have another 2 months to stay. But I have to go to Bogota. Then let me go here, this side first. You cannot go there. Yeah, where do we go? This side or this side?
What?
Which side to go? This side is nice?
Yeah, it's nice. We have you finish the run in 30 minutes,
Okay.
and this you have only 3 minutes.
Okay, here, but where I can go to the topmost?
Yeah,
Top?
top.
Oh, very good. Thank you very much. I'll come and talk to you. Okay. So, this is Abhinandan at Medellin in Colombia. What a view is this, huh? What a view, but they're packed already. See the view of the city. Lot of people, I have no idea what a view is this. That is a lady over there, lady statue. See the views of the other mountain. I used to watch all this in the YouTube video. I could not believe why there is so much rush like this. Wow. What a view. See the slum. Oh, people have pasted a lot of things. I would have put my sticker. So, Abhinandan here. What came from like this, huh? Okay, there's some hands over there. I'll go that side. Top more is there, and then this is the way he told me to go. Okay, and there also I can go. There also I'll go topmost, and see the view. Let me. You can go by metro cable to the top over there. I'll go tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll go. Why is it becoming less bright? Okay. So, nice view. See the bridge how they have done now. They have extended the road line. So there is somewhere a hand glider like this here. Hand glider, gliding. Okay. So people come from throughout the world to this place. That guy told, no, from India also people come. Thank you. So, where do you go there? Or you can go down here. Or you can go like this also. Let me go like this and come back, or let me go first like this. So I tell my friends, I use a word shame on them. They are shy to talk also. No ego to talk. Because like stupid people, they have told not interested. See, that is the downtown. Can you see? That's the downtown there. El Centro. And let me show you the stadium. On the camera you cannot get the beauty of the place. On the camera you cannot get the beauty of the place. See how people drink. Have you seen anywhere one policeman? No. People trust the system. Nice exercise to come. Yesterday only I walked a lot. Sorry. This is going down. This is going down the other side. Let me go this side. books to library. Is this in English? Comuna 13.
Andreas!
German people introducing their German people. They're identifying their. But this is the other side. Wow, this is like never ending. My God. You have to go all the way like that. Did you go that side? You have gone that side?
Yeah.
Which is the topmost point? Where's the topmost? There you can go? That's the topmost you can go. You go like this and go there and then you can go up.
You go,
Ah,
3,
okay.
5,
Okay.
is there.
Okay, but you cannot go top?
No,
You cannot. Oh, it's there, still there, huh? Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So there's a nice place to sit also. This is so beautiful, huh? Lot of people. I'm thinking how I can do marketing. Next time I'll come with this slip, but this time I'll see everything. Next time I'll have small cards. Okay? Small thank you cards. The helicopter going, and football match is going on. Here more people. Here more people will speak English. Okay. I used to watch like this and wonder. See, these are all guides.
It's very important when the indigenous tribes, especially as you see there, by using words his name.
Wow. Original fake. I like that word. Original fake. Lot of these artifacts and all. What a view is this, huh? Wow, I should be careful with my mobile, huh? Very nice, huh? Very nice.
Muchas gracias mi público por venir a la Comuna 13 y disfrutar de este maravilloso arte. Recuerda que tu aporte es totalmente voluntario, pero necesario. Muchas gracias mi público.
Oh, what is this, huh? Someone will give them money. My camera will finish. My memory in my camera will finish. I was left only with 8 GB. I'm already sweating. So a lot of things to see. Slowly you can enjoy. Okay. You can watch a lot of YouTube videos. They don't haggle here. Like in India, they will force you to buy, no? They don't haggle. See why the helicopter is going, no? Because of the football match. See the view. What a panoramic view it is. I came from there. Real nice. A lot of pretty people. I'll go there. How people live over there, huh?
Pero me doy cuenta que la vida es un sueño y antes de morir es mejor aprovecharla.
There's a lot of shops, huh? So this is how it is. I'm walking somewhere here right now. Where am I right now? No. Here? Oh, you can go still there? Okay. You can go in between also top. Wow. Great New York. People are partying over there. What a view is this, huh? They cut fruits like this. How much is that?
10,000.
Yeah, I come and take it. Okay. I like fruits. I already have fruits. But what a nice view is this, huh? People are enjoying.
Si yo pudiera alzar el vuelo, el reloj como el reloj que vuela.
have done for people to walk. It's truly amazing. This bridge is not there. It was a simple slope. Wow, nice bright sunlight. Bright sunlight right now. This is the football match going on now. Here I saw the first security guy. Before I go there, I like this view. Next mountain I'll go is on top of that. Then there is somewhere called RV, ARVI. You can go like this also. That's the topmost point where the flag is there. So, let me keep recording it. Have houses like this. See that gorilla there? I'll go over there. I've seen that on the video. There's another one. Paradise. I'm going still up right now. It's very narrow and less people. I want to go to the topmost place. Okay, let me see, even if it is risky. I have only 100,000 peso, and second thing, I have a tab and this mobile which has all the USDT. Not all, another mobile has more. And there, see Commune 13, that star is there. I think that's the topmost part. But here there are no tourists. But I'm exploring. People say you should not go alone. There will be some fellow who will rob you. You can go? Okay, thank you. And I want to see the view. You speak English? Huh? Or topmost you can go? Okay. Like this? Okay, thank you. Okay. I won't say muchas gracias. I'll use the word thank you. So see, this is all the dangerous part. Let me go. See, Abhinandan is going in the most unknown place now. This and all tourists won't come. But still I'm going. Only thing why I had not come for 3 months was, any lady I meet, okay, in an exhibition or something on March 9th and all, when I used to say I want to go to Comuna 13, they used to say, be careful. It's a dangerous place. So I had not even gone. But now I'm going to the dangerous area. Here, okay, this is a view from our house. From our house, she has this view. These are all the poor people who lived here once. Now also they are probably poor. So this dog not leaving me. What's the problem with you? Okay.
Hey!
The dogs don't want me to come here. It's their territory. See how they build houses here. Wow. See the view. Yeah, what? See the cat over there enjoying this fellow's. He's building a room here, I think. Wow. Very nice. The kitchen, bathroom. Oh, one more room. Oh, one more room here. One more room. Oh, this is one more room. This is nice. This is nice. That fellow is banging. You Blackie. See the view of this. You cannot get it, the beauty. That hill is very, very high. Okay, I do not know where is Three Crosses. Three Crosses is there or what, I have no idea. So, I do not know which side is RV. Okay, you can go. But nice view for this person's house. They put their chairs table here. You got a panoramic view. And see that, see those apartments over there. Can you see? Okay. The tourist part ended there only. I went to this house down where the dog was barking. That lady is over there putting her clothes. I told her I want a rented room here for 2 days or 1 week. So this is all not a tourist place, but I'm still going. And people sell houses. One house they say, the other house they sell. So they make money. See, the tourist part ends there only. But I'm still going. I want to go to that top side, top house, see? Let me go this side. Wow. Let me. Lady told I have to go this side. Thank you very much. That's your kid? Okay. So I have to go this side, topmost.
Derecho, por las escalas.
This side?
Sí, y después subes siguiente.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. They say it's a dangerous place, but still I am going. I'm going to the top of that house over there. Okay. I wish I'd bought some chocolates. Next time when I come, I'll get some chocolates. So, oh, you can go this side also. Oh, you can go like this also. Oh, wow. See the kids playing here. People tell it's dangerous. The time is bad, it is dangerous. See the hills, the sunlight is falling this side. See the kids playing. Hola. Oh, I wish I bought chocolates. Okay. No Spanish.
I am from.
You speak English?
I am from.
I am from India. Okay.
No sabe.
I wish I bought some chocolates. Okay. Next time I'll get some chocolates. Refused to send me up, but that lady sitting from there told he wants to go up. They told you cannot go up. You should not go up. They told you have to go back like that down all the way. You are not supposed to go up. It is not for tourists. The lady from there told he wants to go to topmost, and they allowed. Okay. If not, they would not have. You speak English? No English? Okay. So let me go like this. See this dog leading me. See, I want to walk all the way so much. Okay? And there will be young fellows like that. They'll think they'll come and rob you, I was told. They'll snatch your mobile, they'll hit you and take your money. You speak English? Oh, poquito. Okay. I met Andrea. Welcome to?
You welcome to Medellin.
Very good. Take me to the topmost. Okay?
Yes.
You have a very nice place. So you speak little English, you go to school? You go to college?
Yo a school un poco, inglés poco.
Okay. You know like less English?
Y me gusta, pero
Okay. What a view is this? And see people's houses. Okay. So they are very happy to see. I can see a nice view. I'm coming, wait. I'm coming. Someone is there, others with a bad element. The dog is leading, this guy is leading. See the trees here, the garden they have made. See this house, they have a gate and a nice garden. This house with what a view it is. My God. I'll ask some families. Okay. Wait, let me go there. There are kids over here and there's a car at the top. How does a car come here? Oh, there's a route this side, huh? Wow. I came topmost. You speak English, my friend? You speak English? No. So there are cars here with the road here. I don't know where this will lead. I'm at the topmost, see the other side of the hill. Let me go. 3 people stopped me. You should not go. You are not allowed to go. Okay? But a lady over there told he wants to go see from the top. So I'm at the topmost right now. See the houses over here. I'll see from this side. And there's a road here. Okay. Came to the topmost this side. The sun is there, this side. I came topmost this side, and this is a view from the other side. Okay, from the topmost. See the tower is over here. Here and all tourists are not allowed. Other people are not allowed. In fact, 2 police bikes came. 2 policemen came in the bike. They just saw me. I was just taking the coffee. They thought some idiot tourist has come. Okay, and they left. Okay. They come for our safety because someone will see there's a basketball there down. There's a nice road that side for another small village over there. See, on top of the hills they are there, but I will never go down like this. I will still explore this side. I'll find a topmost place and I will do a business presentation. This is Abhinandan. I took a coffee. This is 1000 pesos, 22 rupees. Black coffee. I don't drink black coffee. I like with milk. Okay, so I have to give locally some business now. So I took from one of the shop over there. She told me where to go to the topmost place. So it's a nice panoramic view. Downtown is over there. Downtown. With one building I can recognize. And that side is Pobaldo. I have to go to Arvi. Arvi is another mountain, I think, this side. This is very huge. So today on June 8th I've come here. Very nice panoramic view. So let me finish this coffee, and people are building houses here. Can you see? What happens if this mountain moves? No one knows. Okay? Now, I will stop right now for a minute. Top of the hill, there's a police station also, but the road is like this. I did not go back again towards, what is that? Towards Comunia 13. I'm walking the other side. See, bus is coming here. Okay, let me see where to go and see the landscape. Okay, there's a cutting shop also. Let me go like this and see where it goes. I came like this. It's on top of the hill. I do not know where this goes down like this. Okay. What are they selling here? I do not know. This is Geo Witness. But see the town here. They're all watching the same football match. This is on top of the hillside. You speak English? Bo Commune 13. You will be surprised where and all I am going. Okay. Can you see the view? Wow. I spoke to a lot of people. And see, the Commune 13 is very down there. I came all the way, crossed one mountain, and I'm going into another place. I'll send you the location. I'm tired. See the road on the top of the mountain, and people have cars here. Next week I'm going to come here and distribute a small slip. Want a rented place for 1 week. Okay, only with a house with a view. Let me go further and then start. Down there are buses also.